So in this video, I want to discuss Aweber not integration with DropFunnels. So this is in order to, the reason I'm doing this one is because people are asking about how to bypass the double opt-in. And if you're just starting out in Aweber, they will require a double opt-in if you use the API. So if you use the API, which DropFunnels has the API in order to do their integration, if you use it, they will require a double opt-in until you get to a certain point. I don't know exactly what that point is, but every couple hundred people that sign up for your list, go ahead and send a message to Aweber support, and they may turn off your double opt-in for you, and you can come in and use a regular form. The opt-in form straight from DropFunnels, which is much more integrated and pretty. Not that you can't lay out a nice pretty one here, but I'm not going to show you the exact formula in order to lay out a nice pretty one here, but I will do just the basics, exactly what functionality it has. So here we have, there's already a web form in here, but you want to select the current list, the list that you want to actually send your opt-ins to, your leads. So we're going to click on create sign up form. First of all, sign up forms. You're going to create sign up form, and then you're going to say sign up form. And you're going to come to a page that looks like this. Now, here's the default sign up form. You can easily come in here and do things like, edit where your buttons are and things like that. I think there's, position is centered. I don't really need this. I can put that in afterwards on my landing page. I can get rid of that. I can also change fonts. I can actually, remove these heading things and all sorts of other stuff. So, I can turn off privacy. I can turn off the header. I can turn off the footer. Let's see here. Oh, privacy I turned back on. So let's turn that off. So here we go. Here's a regular, plain old, simple opt-in form. If your campaign is using if your campaign starts out on a tag, what you want to do is you have form automation over here where you can add tags to anyone who submits this form. So you can easily just put the tag in there and the campaign will start up right away. I highly suggest using campaigns rather than using the follow-up messages. That I think they're trying to get rid of follow-ups in order to kind of use campaigns all the time with everything. And campaigns are simply better anyway because of the tagging. So you can put your tags in here in order to start your campaign. You're going to hit save form once you have all the data you want. And your web form is saved. So now that it's saved, I can go to step 2, which here is, my form name. You can name it anything you want. Thank you page. Thank you page. I'm going to select custom page in here. And for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say google.com. Okay. And let's see, the already subscribe page is fine. The basic version is okay. You can set those in advanced settings and things like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to save the form, and we're going to go to step 3, save form. And step 3, I will install my form. So you are comfortable with HTML and can access the pages. So you're going to see 2 options here. You're going to see a JavaScript snippet, and you're going to see a raw HTML version. What you're going to do is you're going to select the raw HTML version. You're going to copy it. Copy. Then we're going to go over to DropFunnels. And as you see, I have my one already here, but I'm going to drop in another one for you. That was just in my quick testing. So we're going to go to search. We're going to search on HTML. And we're going to drag and drop an HTML module on there. And we're going to paste, whoops, I got to use my buttons here. Control V right in there. And there is my opt-in form going on to a DropFunnels page. So that's exactly what it'll look like. So from here, what you want to do is, you might not have a thank you page set up yet, but once you do get a thank you page or your next funnel step, what you want to do is come in here and there's a line saying redirect. And you might have to search around for it because there is no search within this. You could easily put the text somewhere else and find it, but it is in here somewhere. And we'll just go through and find google.com. Here it is, redirect. So there's a redirect right there, and it says https google.com, and you would change this URL to the URL of your following page. As soon as that's done, you can save it and click done and publish, and you are ready to go. So what this again does is it bypasses the need to have a double opt-in because of the Aweber's requirement during an API. So temporarily you can use this in order to get opt-ins with Aweber without double opt-in. So cheers, people.